Hello friends, welcome back to another video where we are going to learn a math function that is Math.random. This particular function is used basically in Java programming, that is meant for developing games. Now here in our topic today, we will know how to generate a number from 0 to 1. In between 0 and 1, how to generate a random number. Every time you run the program and it will give a different number in between 0 and 1. Then 0 to n minus 1. Suppose n is 6, so it will give you 0 to 5. Every time you run the program, you will get a different number. Then dice. Now dice means what? Having 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time you throw a dice, a different number may come or the same number may repeat. So this work you can also do with a random function. Then for head and tail, that is 0 and 1, you can do so also with random function. Then if you want to get a number in between a range, that is 20 to 40 or any range 90 to 100, so if you want to do that also, you can do it with a random number. Now let us first see. The Math.random function returns a random value that is greater than or equal to 0.0 and less than 1.0. That is, Math.random will return a number in that is 0.0, greater than or equal to 0.0 and less than 1.0. It means indirectly Math.random gives a double data type. Return type is what? Double. So here is a simple function method. Okay, that is a class I have, class math function. Here I have a main method and you are just doing what? Using Math.random, M is capital. So it will generate what? A random number between 0 and 1, of course, in double format, right? So you remember this program, every time you run, you will get a different output. Here I have got this, but let us see when I go to my BlueJ window and the code is written out here, the same code is written out here, and if you run it, you get this output, a different number, right? So Math.random will give a number in between 0 and 1. Now the next one, it will generate a number that is 0 to n minus 1. Suppose if you give the value 10, and what am I doing? I'm running this particular statement 10 times. So 10 times 10 different values will come between 0 and, if I give 10 here, that means 0 to 9. In between this only, you will get 10 different values, right? So let us give this value 10. The loop will go 10 times, and let us see 0 to, you will get all the numbers 1 less than this number, right? So within 0 and 9, you will get all the numbers. So here I've got 8, 4, 1, 9, 3, 3, 6, 1, 5, 7. All different random numbers you have got. Now the next one is, I'm using this particular function in a loop so that, every time you don't run the program, you get different numbers in a loop itself. Okay, now this is quite interesting. If you want to print a random number in between a range 75 to 85, in that case what you have to do, m is the lower limit and n is the upper limit. The loop goes 10 times. Forget about this. This number will give you, within this limit 10 different numbers you will get because the command is given within the loop. So what exactly you are doing? Math.random into n is what? Upper limit minus lower limit, okay, whatever the value is, plus lower limit. If you do this, and random gives what? A double value. You are converting that is explicit conversion. Okay, typecast you're doing, converting into integer and storing it in R, and you're printing R and a space. Now, if you don't know about implicit and explicit conversion, you can watch a video in my channel, that is explicit and implicit conversion in Java. So let us run the program. Okay, here is the output. My lower limit was 75 and upper limit was 85. So you see all the numbers that has come is within that range only. Now this is actually head and tail program. If you want to do a game that will count how many times you have got head and how many times your friend has got tail, so this is going 10 times, and for that you have to write Math.random into 2. So it will give a number in between 0 and 1 and 0 only, right? So let us do what? See the output. This time you see, first time you got 1, second time also 1, head, then tail, 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 head, tail, tail, head. So this is how you write the code. Now this is another, that is throwing a dice. Dice gives you what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 different random numbers are possible. At any moment one number will come. So this code is running 10 times, and you're going to get 10 different numbers in between 1 and 6. So let us see the command what we have written. Math.random into 6 plus 1. This is for dice, and you're converting it into integer, storing it in int R, and you're printing this. So if you see the output, you're getting first time 4, 4, then 2, then 3, then again 2, 5, 5 repeated again, 3, 4 and 6. So this is all about Math.random. It's a fantastic function to use, and you will just love to use it in gaming program. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep watching and learning from E-SHIKSHA. Okay, thank you so much.